What's up, Paint Life fam? Yo, I finally got that chance to use that reusable. Shout out to reusable. Go get yourself one. I have the magnet, which allows you to go in and out throughout the day. It just shuts automatically. Or I have the zipper. In this case, today I'm gonna go with the zipper. I set up a canopy, wrapped it in plastic. Now it's time to set up my zipper. That way later on I can do things I need to do, come back in the afternoon, check to make sure my next project is dry. So you guys know the deal. Let's get to it. So first, I'm going to be putting on this mounting tape. It's a Velcro. Just like that. I'm going to run it down the middle. It's a piece of tape. It has adhesive. It's like an adhesive tape. So take that off. Just like that, right? So check it out. So I'm going to do something crazy today. I'm going to do a kind of curve. I've seen some reviews on it. So I'm going to do something like this. Something like this. Back this way. Boom. Just like that. Check that out. The reason why I did it curved is because I saw some other people do it, and I like how you're able to just kind of step out without having it straight down. So check it out. So now all I have to do is decide what I want to use today, the magnet or the zipper. In this case, I'll be using the zipper. That way I can actually seal it off with the lock at the end of the day so no one can step into my booth unless they ram through the plastic. But let's go. And it has Velcro. Alright, start from the top. All you have to do is just stick it on there just like that. Bam! How easy was that to set up, guys? Alright, so now I have to get my blade. I'll be opening up the zipper. Open it up. The Velcro's still sealed. So what you want to do is actually slice that open. Bam! And there we have it. Let's go. Check it out for yourselves, guys. And then I'll be able to seal it down here at the end of the day. That's it. Get yourself that reuse it. Let's go.